If you're a bargain hunter, then you need to check this out right now. So let's dive right in. This product is an absolute game changer. First up, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, modern, and just screams quality. Seriously, it looks like it belongs in a high-end showroom. But here's the best part, the price. You'd expect something like this to cost a fortune, right? Well, guess what? It's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank? Yes, please. And it's so versatile. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a gift. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it. Whether you're setting up a cozy nook or organizing your office, this product's got you covered.